So now today I'm going to tell you about the mail merge again. In the last class, I was just discuss about the mail merge. What is the mail merge? How we will do the mail merge? How we can create the data source from there. So today I'm trying to show you how to do the mail merge, how to going to merge the data from OpenOffice Calc. This is a LibreOffice Calc, means it is a spreadsheet software, just like a Microsoft Excel. So my data is here. My data is here. You can find out. I have written something: roll number, name, math, science, SST, English, computer, Hindi, and total. Just I'm using the formula to calculate the total. I was given the some random number to anyone. There's 5 students records I'm storing. I'm writing already created here, and I save this file with the name of the result dot. I'm going to save it, and I'm saving this file with the name of the result. It is the open document format spreadsheets, and I save the file. It will ask to overwrite it. I say yes, overwrite it. And now I'm going to close it. Next, this is the my open office writer. It's a LibreOffice writer. That's I already open it. Now I'm going to create the report card format. I'm going to create a report card format. So I've written the ABC Public School Delhi affiliated from CBSE New Delhi like this. And session is this, and report card and term one. And I'm just giving the address here, Preet Vihar. I'm just writing here Preet Vihar, New Delhi. Okay, New Delhi. Okay, mail to email Manjeev Singh at gmail.com. Okay, so I've just written here is AKS Public School Delhi. Okay, so this much I've written here, and I'm going to assign it. I'm align this as a capital, and now I'm going to increase the font size of this. I want to increase the font size. So what I'm doing, I'm going to just increase it. So first I have to create the format of the report card and everything. Okay, I can give a logo here also. I can give a logo, and now I'm written this and this. I want to increase the size of this also session. Okay, so everything is increased here, and now I have to create a format. So here I'm going to create a format, and for the format, what I'm doing, I'm going to insert. I want to insert a table, so I'm going it here, and now I'm dividing it in two parts. This is my table. Here I'm writing the roll number. Okay, roll number, and then I'm writing here name, and then class and section. And class and section is a fixed, so I'm written here 9th A. I'm just writing 9th A, class and section. This is fixed information. Okay, and like this way I'm arranging it. Okay, and this information I'm going to align it center. I'm going to align, sorry, not this. I'm going to align it center alignment. So I'm aligning center. Here I will give the roll number and everything, and class and section is there. And now I'm going to insert and another table. I want to insert another table, and in this table I'm going to write the only 2 columns, or I'm giving here okay. Okay, 4 columns I'm giving here. I'll show you later. So what I'm writing here subject name, and then I'm writing here scored. I'm writing here maximum marks, and then I'm writing here grade. Okay, so I will write the grade later. First I will do this, and then I'll show you the everything grade also. So subject I'm writing here Hindi, then I'm giving here English, then I'm writing here maths, and I'm pressing the tab to insert the new row automatically. So okay, I'm just pressing the tab continuously, and maths, and what I have to write after maths, what is this? Science, and now social science, and then I'm writing here in place of maths we can write mathematics also. It's better we can write mathematics, social science, and then I'm writing here computer. Okay, and at last I'm going to Here I'm writing, here I'm giving the maximum marks, and here I'm writing scored marks, है scored marks, and here I'm writing total. Okay, and I'm going to make it bold, and I'm going to increase its size also 16 like this, and this whole size I'm going to bold it, and I'm going to make it 16 size. Okay, this all. Okay, and after that, what I'm writing here, remarks. I'm writing here remarks. Okay, and then I'm writing here date, and I'm giving the today's date, 28 October 2020. I'm just writing the date here, 2020 in bottom, and then I'm writing here class teacher, okay, and I'm writing here signature, and then I'm writing here parent, principal, and I'm writing here signature. Okay, and then I'm writing here at the end parent. Okay, and I'm writing here signature. Yes, signature. Okay, and now I have done this much. Okay, so almost my format is ready, and I'm ready to print, make the report card. So what is this? The next task is I want to 1 minute. I want to just put the every information through that data here. Okay, maximum marks is fixed, so I'm writing here 40, 40. Okay, 40 out of 40 only, out of 40 only. So this is out of 40, and here this is the 1, 2, 3, 6 subjects, so it is 240. Okay, and I'm going to make it bold or and center alignment. This is I want to do bold. You want to do, you can do it bold, and if you don't want to do it, leave it like this way. Make it bold in this also, make it bold this also, so that is something like this, and make it bold this also. Okay. Now I want to go in a mail merge. So what I have to do for the mail merge, where we have to go? We have to go in a tools and then select the mail merge wizard. So it's going to start the mail merge wizard. I'm going to use the current document. Next, letter. This is a letter. This is the letter. And now here I want to select the different address list. I want different address list. Okay. So here I want to check. Can we do create? I don't want to do add. I'm going to add, and now I'm searching result. I'm able to add it. Yeah, I'm got it the result. Open it. It's came. Okay. And now I'm clicking on OK. Okay. So it's asked something. Move on the next, and solution. I don't want the solution. Finish it. Now I'm searching something here. Mailmerge wizard is there, this is there, and this is there. I want to insert the data here. So what is this? Where is the option? Where is the option to that we can insert the value here? Edit individual, exclude recipients, and is there any the tools are here or not? Let I search. This is the showing the Mailmerge wizard, but it has not given the so much options here. Wait, definitely we will get it. Tools and Mailmerge wizard is there. Macro customize. And this is this next data, but where is the record? Where is the my data? Where is my data? Okay, I have so data source, address book source, data source. Yeah, this is the data here. So now I want this information. Explore on off and roll number. I want to put it here. Let's see, is anything happen? Yeah, got it. So look what I did. I click on the data source and now I'm clicking on the name and I'm dragging and dropping the information in a particular column. So maths marks I will place in a maths. Where is the mathematics? This is the maths. And science I'll put in a science. So where is the science? This is the science. And now SST I put in a SST. English I put in a English. Hindi I put in a Hindi. Where is the Hindi? Hindi. And computer I put in a computer. Okay, and here is the total. So total I'm going to put in a total. Okay, so hey, don't scroll in this way. Just come show total. Okay, so now this is what explore on off and this and this and this. Okay, this is the data source, mail merge and okay, okay, leave it, and I'm going to close this. Save untitled before save documents. Wait, cancel it. And now I'm going to sheet. Look at this. My work is over. I'm going to minimize it. So it's minimized. And now look at this. It's showing the report card. And look, this is the one. This is the Kirti. This is the Jatin. Look at this. Look at this. The report card is generated here. Look. Look, all report cards are automatically generated. Now I want to give the grade. I want to give the grade for the each and every subject. So what I have to do, I'm going to first, I'll save it. I'll save it, and this is the my report card. So I'm writing here report card only. And now I'm going to open the LibreOffice Writer again, LibreOffice Calculator again. And in the LibreOffice Calc, I'm going to open the recent documents, and this is my result ODS. Okay. So I open it, and now I'm going to open in read only mode. Why this is in read only mode? Because this document is used in this file. That's why it's showing the read only mode. Now I'm going to open the document again, and this is the result. And this time it is not open in a read only mode. Look at this. Now what I am doing, I'm going to calculate the grade. I'm going to calculate the grade. So I'm going to insert a column before, and here I'm writing the grade MG, math grade. And what is the grade criteria? I have to write if this value is greater than equal to 40 and greater than equal to, I'm writing only two grade here, greater than equal to, suppose greater than equal to 30. So if it is greater than equal to 30, then give the grade A1, else give the grade B1. Okay, so there's two grades only I'm going to decide. So it's an error here. So I have to move the space little bit. Space is required. And where is the problem? What is the problem? C2 greater than this value otherwise. Then value this. If test this, any expression which can be either true, any value or expression which can be logical test return true. And this is double quotes A1, double quotes close, and double quotes B1. Okay, and double quotes close, and then press this. Now it's working fine. Okay, and I'm copying this here, and it's all are the A1 grade. Okay, I'm going to make the change the criteria, and I'll write here 35, so that I will get the some B1 grade also. And now I'm copying this. I'm copying this, and I'm inserting the one column before this also, one column before this also, one column before this also, and one column before this also, and one column before this also. And here I'm going to write, no need to write, and here I'm writing the, here is also TG means total grade. Here HG means Hindi grade, CG means computer grade, EG means English grade, STG means social studies grade, and SG means science grade. And now I'm going to copy the same formula and I'm pasting it here. Okay, I'm pasting it here, I'm pasting it here, I'm pasting it here, I'm pasting it here, and now I'm pasting it here also. And in this criteria, this is the out of 240. So what I'm writing, if the value greater than 150, then all will get this grade. So I'm writing here, if the value is greater than 200. So 200, I'll give this. So all are getting the A1 grade, no problem. I'm simply copy it. I'm simply just drag and copy it. Okay. So no one is getting the B grade. I think I have to give the someone B grade also. And just drag it. And here also just drag it. Here also just drag it. And here also just drag it. Okay. So dragging done. And now close the minimize this. Sorry, means I'm going to adjust the size. It's not necessary. So I'm just going to save this file. Save, Control S, and close this file. Now I'm going to open the LibreOffice Writer again. I'm going to open the LibreOffice Writer again, and report card I'm opening here. And now I'm opening my file here. And again, I'm moving on this database. I'm clicking on this database. Just make a double click here. Sorry, single click, not the double click. It will open this. And now what I have to do, I have to place the grade value here. So this is the grade of the Hindi. So here is the Hindi grade. This is the Hindi grade. So I'm just putting this column here. Okay. And this is the English. So where is the English grade? English grade is here. So I'm putting the English grade here. And now this is the social studies grade. So what I'm doing, I'm keeping the social studies grade here. And this is my computer grade. So I'm just keeping my computer grade here. Okay. So what left? Left mathematics. So math grade I'm putting here. Okay, math grade I'm keeping here, and then what left? Science grade. So I'm dragging the science and putting here. So all graders here. Now I got the all grade. Okay, and now I'm clicking on this button. It's a hide the tools, and I'm moving on this. And look at this. Look at this. Look at this. All are getting. Acha, one thing I forget. I have not written the total grade. So what I do, I'll take this TG also, and I'm putting this TG at this place. Okay. So now I'm going to hide this, and then I'm excluding this again. Look at this. So my report card is ready. So what I do, I'm going to save this. Now I'm going to print all documents. This edit individual documents, because I want to print the separate report card. So look at this. I have this much pages are here, and look how this is working. Look. So this is the report card of Kirti. This is the report card of Jatin. This is the report card of Ria. This is the report card of Nirzara. This is the report card of Monica. Look, now you people are able to make the report card with the help of LibreOffice Writer and LibreOffice Calc. Is okay. So now I hope you understand this. Okay. I don't think so you have any doubt regarding this. If you have doubt, you can put your query.